So in this Canva tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to save as an MP4 file here on Canva. So first thing you have to do is actually find a video in which you wish to use, or just simply upload your own video and make this an MP4 type of file. So just for the sake of this video, I'm going to go to the Elements tab right here. I'm going to go to where it says Search Elements, and I'm going to search up fishing. Then I will find a video here of fishing. I'm going to go to see all, and how about I use this video right here of a bunch of fish swimming in the ocean. So I apologize, there was some music on that video. I'm actually just going to go ahead and mute it here and make this video a little bit larger. So once that is done and I want to just save this video or whatever your design is as an MP4 file, super duper simple. All I want you to do is go to the top right corner right here to where it says share. I want you to press on that. Then I want you to go to where it says download. I want you to press on that. So press download. Then to where it says file type, I want you to go to where it says PNG. I want you to go all the way down to where it says video. I want you to press on that now. As of right now, I'm saving this as a 1080p HD file, but if you want to make it maybe less quality, grab this bar and you can move it to the left, making it 720p, 480p for drafts. If you want to make it even larger, you can make it 4K for large screens, but just for this example, I'm going to go to the 1080p and just download it as it is. It'll take a little while to download, but that is basically how you download a file, or how to save a file here on Canva as a MP4 file. So hopefully this video helped. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.